Okay, if you've been using SalesNexus email templates, a lot has just changed with the new update. So first thing you need to know is when you go up here to campaigns at the top, you'll see email templates. That's going to take you to our new email editor. But your old emails have not disappeared. We just moved them down here. So all you got to do to find your old emails is go to campaigns, view email templates, or create email template. So you can still create templates the old way. So if you want to keep doing that, you can. Also, you need to know that when you use your campaigns, they'll still work with templates created the old way. And you can create campaigns that have some old templates and some new templates. So we tried to make it so that we didn't disrupt things for you. But here's the good news. Go to campaigns, email templates, and now, number one, you have a much wider selection of templates to start with. So you can choose any of these templates and give it a name and hit submit. And now it's going to open that template in our new template editor. And I can click here and say change image. And now select my logo, which I previously uploaded, or upload a new image or logo. One thing you should know is that these images that appear here will not include the ones that you've previously uploaded into the old email editor. You'll have to re-upload those images. But once you have them uploaded, you just say insert, and now you got your logo in there. You click down here and edit the text. And an important detail is if I select all that text, and now I want to put in a mail merge tag, those are going to be here. You see the toolbar that appeared as soon as I started editing the text. Go here, more, and then merge tags. And now I can find, my first name field, and it puts in that code for me. And then I could mail merge in the company name for that customer. And then when I'm done typing, I can put in my signature and mail merge in my fields, from my record. So I can put my signature in, and it'll dynamically create that for all my different salespeople that might be using the same template. So now I'm going to find the phone number. And there we go. So I click off of that. I can go down here and click on any of these elements and make changes to them. Change that image. You can notice when I click on anything, a little delete or copy option shows up. So it's pretty easy to make changes. If you want to add new things in, you go over here to rows and you grab a row and put it where you need it. And now you've got a new section that then you go here to content. And if you want that to be social icons, you drag that in here. You just want it to be text, you drag it in here. If you want it to be a button, drag it in there. There you go. So I'm not going to get into all of the features of using the system. We'll have other content or other training content for that. I want you to know what you need to know about how things have changed for you. The other thing you need to know is that you can save it, of course. Hit save right here. You can start a campaign from this template just by hitting start campaign right here. Also, you can go over here to actions, and this is where you can just see a preview, preview what it's going to look like. You notice here you've got desktop and mobile. So that's kind of nice to be able to just check what it's going to look like on mobile real quickly. And then you can go back to actions and send test. So that's what we used to call in the old email editor send preview. So you send test, you put in your email address here and you hit send, and now you're going to get an example of the template in your inbox. And then save as template, that's like copying it. So that's going to give you the opportunity to give it a new name. So if you want to basically duplicate this template, have two different templates that are basically the same with some minor changes, that's how you would start that process, save as template. Okay, so I think that's most of the main things that have changed. We really look forward to your feedback overall on how you like the new editor. We really love it. And if we can help you with anything at all, you know how to reach us. Go to support@salesnexus.com and let us know what you need. Thank you.